Up until now, no suitable tyres were available for many agricultural trucks, with which the inflation pressure could be reduced to a reasonable level. And at the same time, a driving speed of more than 65 kilometers per hour could be achieved on the road with an increased inflation pressure. Thanks to its special design, the Alliance 398 MPT enables not only fast driving on motorways. At the same time, due to its tread design and the reduced tyre inflation pressure, it also offers excellent traction and reduced loading of the ground when driving off-road. It's an interesting tyre innovation for which Alliance Tyre Europe BV was presented with the Agritechnica Innovation Awards 2019 in silver.